Here we have a really nice hydro quick 8 horsepower, 3000 PSI, 4 gallon a minute pressure washer. It is a hot water model, as you can see right here. The hot water comes from your diesel fuel. It's got a Beckett blower on here, polyethylene fuel tank. There's a Marathon 8 horsepower motor. It's 230 volt, single phase. You get your GFI right here, 36 foot of cord, 50 foot of hose, a wand, then you get 4 nozzles. There's switches. It appears that this is unused. It has been tested at the factory. There's just a little bit of soot on the inside here. Okay, and there's some fuel in the fuel bowl. It's still strapped to the factory pallet. It has 10-inch pneumatic tires. The only thing we could find was this tire will come off because they usually have these caps on here to hold the tires on. Well, this cap was missing. The other 3 tire caps are intact. Includes your instruction manual, parts manual. Just had a little bit of dust on it from sitting in the factory box. It's still strapped down to the factory pallet. Made in America. Model number D430M. And we thank you for looking at our product.